Hello, friends. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Uh, yes, today I'm going to solve a little problem that I was facing, and yeah, that was a query that find maximum and minimum values from the list of objects or the maps. So I have just created a map here, a list of map actually. So that is the list of map of type string and dynamic, and the data is the variable name. And I have just created a list, and this list have a lot of maps. So the key is the name, the value Ali, age, and 34, and the name Johan, and the age is like 52, and then age is 23 and 15, so on. So I want to find the maximum or the minimum value, like if I want to find the maximum value here, the age is 52, and I want to get the name of that one. Okay, so how can I get? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to create like one you have to write here, like just create the data, and then just apply the for each loop here. And in the for each loop, like in this way, you can this for each loop needs one function. So I just put the one function here, and then I put the any value that that I can use in this function. Okay, so that will hold, the e will hold all the values of this data. Okay, so now I will just write a simple query here, but before the giving the query, I will write here the var. I will just write here the max value, and suppose our first value is the maximum value. Okay, like the data, the first value is the maximum value here. Okay, now let's go ahead, and we can write here the if, and I can write here if age like greater than max age, like in this way. Okay, so whatever the loop will go through from all the values, and it will check if our value is greater than the first value, then what will happen, then what we will do, then we will write here the max becomes the e. Perfect. So after this, I can print out. Now if I just print out the max value, and if I just run it, and you will see the name and age as the 52. Perfect. So you will also get the name by using in this way, like name. So if I just run it again, and you will see now the John. Perfect. So the other solution that we can find is the very simple and one liner solution, and that is I can write here, like I can write here data dot map. Okay, so I'm just going to map it. Okay, so in the map, what I will do, I will write here like this way. I just put here the function body with the return statement, and you can write anything here, e or key or k or j, whatever you can write. Okay, so if I just write here the l or k, then I can simply write here if k and age, k dot age, that's it. And then I can write here the reduce. Okay, so reduce get two values, min or max. Okay, so but this min is not described here, so it should be coming from the dart colon math. Okay, so if I just remove this, it could throw us it will throw us an error here that min is not defined. Okay, so means the function that defined, like you can see here that the getter not found min. So I just print out, and I just pasted this dot colon math function, and I will write here like any value, like var m equal to, like this way. Okay, now if I just write here the print m, and if I just run it, you will see the minimum value here. But the problem is that this map should works, the minimum or max, the min or max values should work only on that mapping that has the type of the integer. So I just write here the int type of the map, and you will see here the 15, the minimum value that you can see, like this one. Okay, now you can see this one. And now how to get the values, let me tell you the other method to find all the values. So you can write here data dot dot where. Okay, so maybe you will see the where command here, and this where again need, like if I just write here, again it will need some argument. So let me write here, it needs a one function as the argument, and now I can write here in this like e, or I just put here the j, and you can write here if j age becomes equal to the m. Perfect. In this way you can convert into the uh, to list again, and put into the data again. Okay, now if I just print out the data, you will see what you will see here. Oh, it says the getter date is not found. Oh, sorry, I just put here the date. So just write here the data and run it again, and you will see the name, Emily, age, and this type of things. Okay, but it will behave as a list. Okay, so you have to put the for loop, and again, and like you can, if you want to find the first value, like in this way, like you can write here the 0, and you can write here the like age or the name. Okay, so in this way it will work. So thanks for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe it, and I'm going to give you a lot of tips on the Flutter. Okay, so bye bye.